If you're watching this video, you've probably begun to notice that the traditional P&M formula, or rate pay, isn't quite cutting it anymore. The rate has remained largely the same, meanwhile costs have risen aggressively over the past few years. All the meanwhile repairs have become more complicated and require more expensive and specialized materials. You've also probably noticed that most available invoicing solutions currently on the market involve cabinets, contracts, and limit your invoicing potential to a certain manufacturer, vendor, or materials category. Well, I'd like to introduce you to EagleMMS. EagleMMS is a web-based, comprehensive, itemized invoicing program that allows you to bill any part number by any manufacturer without the need for text scanning, cabinets, or slowed down workflows. Invoice generation is fast and simple using our calculator, which gives you access to all your part numbers and mappings all in one place. Simply create an RO or import from your estimating platform via EMS, open the calculator, and begin making selections. The first part of the calculator tabulates refinish materials between prep and polish. This means everything that involves prepping, scuffing, masking, spraying, and detailing a panel. All of these materials get allotted at relative quantity depending on the body style, panel dimensions, and the refinish level. There are 4 different refinish levels. Blending allots base and clear just for a color match, repair blend adds sealer for a small repair area, heavy repair adds more sealer and base for a wider repair area, and full refinish indicates full coverage of all materials on the entire panel in and out. There's also a structural view to select other base clear refinish zones not visible with the panels on if necessary for the repair. Below that we have accessory paint operations for small parts painting that we can't render on either diagram. Next, we have all of our operation kits. These are pre-built packages of materials users can create to associate all body and structure materials to an operation and build them out in bulk, such as abrasives, fillers, cartridges, and aerosols. The final section is hardware and clips. This is populated by everything in the shop's inventory under the hardware category. When all selections have been made, the system will compile those material pathways, render you a total, and produce an invoice on the spot. This invoice can be reviewed, and if needed, the user can make changes to any of the system allotments on the invoice in the RO details page. Now I'm sure at this point you're asking yourself, how does all that info get in there? Well, our onboarding team provides a custom setup specifically designed for the entirety of your inventory, with all the part numbers you use in your shop for body, paint, and hardware, pending a purchase report from your vendor. However, you can always add more if you experience inventory changes down the road. Because this system is agnostic, it doesn't matter what products you use or who you buy them from. They can all be entered using our expansive EagleMMS materials database. We also create a series of operation kits to map out these materials to an operation for you. These kits can be modified, duplicated, or new kits can be created to adequately capture the standard procedures at your shop. So ditch the stagnant rates and broken P&M formula in favor of true, accurate, and easy materials invoicing with EagleMMS today. Feel free to visit us at EagleMMS.com and hit the sign up button in the top right. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.